Hi, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. I'd like to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. I pray your Thanksgiving is filled with the blessings that this holiday affords, and I pray that as the holiday progresses, you will come to find Jesus as your reason for the season. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, neighbor.
Happy Thanksgiving to you too.
You got plans for Thanksgiving?
Everybody's going different directions this year. Not quite sure what to do.
Not a problem, neighbor. Just put together a couple of pumpkin pies, take them with you, and go visit everybody.
Well, that's a good idea. I can get busy cooking, bring a little bit of happiness to everybody.
Yeah, you're going to see your kids. Probably run across your ex. Just be careful not to poison that pie.
Nah, I wouldn't do that. That's... Well...
My God, what did you eat?
Yeah, that didn't go quite as planned. Guess I gotta make a couple more pumpkin pies. Oh well, happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.